Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. May June 20. Paper 4-1, May June 20. Question number 1. State what is meant by gravitation force. So you can write the answer: force acting between two masses. Or you can write force on one mass by another, or force on one mass due to another. All definitions are correct, all answers are correct. Now second part, B part, a binary mean two star system. Binary star system consists of two stars S1 and S2, each of circular orbits. The orbit of each star in this system has a time of rotation t. Okay. Observation of the binary star from Earth is represented. Okay, look, observation from the Earth's angular separation of center S1 and S2 is given. Mean theta is given. Theta is given. This is theta. Angular separation with theta. The distance of binary stars from Earth is 1.17, mean it's r, and show that separation d of centers S1 and S2 is this. Mean these are two stars and observation is done from Earth. So from Earth they seems like here is an angle theta. So this distance is very small, so we consider that this curve is like a straight. So d is a separation and r is a distance from Earth to star. So s is equal to r into theta, or you can say d is equal to r into theta. So r is given 1.5 into raised to power 17, and theta is given 1.2 into raised to power minus 5. When you will multiply, you will get the same answer as you have to prove: 1.8 10 power 12 meters. So this is for 1 mark. The stars S1 and S2 rotate with the same angular velocity omega. Very important point, will help you a lot in coming part of the question. The point P of a distance x from center is S1 and the period of rotation of stars is 44.2, and find the omega. So time period is given, omega is to be found. Omega is equal to 2 pi over t. 2 pi divided by 1 complete rotation. Time period is given 44.2. so this time is given in years. This is in years, but we in our answer we need radian per second. So convert these years into second. And how you will convert? Simply multiply number of days in 1 year, multiply 24 hours in 1 day, and 3600 seconds. After division with the calculator, you will get 4.5 into raised to power minus 9 radian per second. Okay, by considering the forces acting on two stars, forces acting on two stars shown in this ratio. Okay, listen. In the very beginning, this these are two masses. This diagram is given, one complete rotation is given, and in this rotation you can see line of action of force is same everywhere in complete rotation. And you know well, two masses apply a force on each other. So this force F, we can say that force by 2 on 1, and you can say that force by 1 on 2, or opposite, you can use force on 2 by 1 or force on 2 by 1. Mean gravitational force on two masses always same. Mean we can say simply that F12 is equal to minus to 1 according to Newton's third law. Force of attraction is same but opposite in direction. Second, it is already given from the question that same angular velocity it's given in the question. Omega is same. Okay, so this information help a lot in this part, like gravitational force is same on both stars. Fg, gravitational force, is same on both stars. As well, angular velocity is same, so hence we can say that centripetal force is same. So this information is very helpful for us. If centripetal force is same, then we can write F centripetal force by 1 is equal to centripetal force by 2, and we know that centripetal force Fc is equal to mr omega square. In this case, we are unknown, values of r is unknown, so we will find the value of r. So this you will consider r1, and here you will consider r2. So total distance between these two planets is d. Between these two planets is d. So r1 is considered as x, and r2 we can write as d minus x, because total distance is d, and from S1 to central point P is x, so r2 will be definitely d minus x. Okay, so now we are very close to our answer. Just put the values. I can write m1 r1 omega square, m2 r2 omega square. As examiner mentioned in this top, like same angular velocity omega, so here this and this will be cancelled, so we are going to place our values. X, I think it's not x1, it's x, so let me erase this. So this is x1 is equal to m2 d minus x. So let me rearrange. So when I will rearrange this, then what will be the answer for me? It will be m1 over m2 is equal to d minus x over x. So hence proved. Okay, m1 of star S1 is given by this expression, where g is a gravitational constant, and the above ratio, this ratio is 1.5. This is very good information for us for answer of this question. So we have to use this equation. Gm1 is equal to d square d minus x into omega square. So d is given in the question, omega we already calculated. So let me collect this data from the top. This is over omega 4.5 raised to power minus 9, and this is over d 1.8 into raised to power 12. Okay, so d is equal to 1.8 into raised to power 12 meter, and omega 4.5 into 10 power minus 9. It's minus 9, not minus 19. Okay, so I'm going to place the value. Gravitational constant is 6.67 into raised to power minus 11. Mass m1 is unknown. D is given, that 1.8 into 10 power 12. Again another d is given, so put the value of d here once again. That but here is a square, here is a square, and inside a d 1.8 into 10 power 12. but problem is that x is not given. X is not given. So what we can do for the x? So for x, here I have a place. I will solve the value here. It's mentioned that the above ratio is 1.5. So I will use this ratio here. I will use this ratio, mean d minus x over x is equal to 1.5, right? So cross multiply 1.5x is equal to d minus x. D is equal to 1.5x plus x. So d is equal to 2.5x, and x is equal to d over 2.5. D over 2.5. Okay, x is equal to d by 2.5. Got it. So here now I have the value of x, so I will write here minus x is equal to d over 2.5, bracket close, and omega we have 4.5 into raised to power minus 9. So do one thing, write this equation once again, and here put the value of d 1 point, okay, I will write this once again. 6.67 into raised to power minus 11 into m1 is unknown, 1.8 into raised to power 12 and then square, then 1.8 into raised to power 12, then 1.8 into raised to power 12 divided by 2.5 into 4.5 10 power minus 9. Oh sorry, here I did one mistake. Here is omega square, so I have to place square here, I have to place square here. When you will solve this equation with the help of calculator, then obviously you will get the answer. And answer for this question with the help of calculator, give me 1 minute to check, to solve this question, to find the answer. So my calculator give me the answer. M1 is equal to 1.1, sorry, 1.1, yes, 1.1 into 10 raised to power 30 kilogram. I wrote this answer after rearranging the answer, mean the actual answer I get 1.06 into 10 raised to power 30. So I write the answer in 2SF, because look here I am using 2SF, 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 2SF. So I write the answer in 2SF. So answer will be 1.1 into 10 raised to power 30 kilogram. Thank you so